good morning from Delhi, and today I'm going to be heading to Mumbai on Air India's economy class on the Airbus A321 once again. So today I'm going to Mumbai, so I'm very glad that you're joining me on this trip once again. And before we start, please why not hit that nice subscribe button and bell icon to get all updates about my channel and all of my updates. So let's do this. Let's go inside the terminal, which is right behind me, and let's see what Air India has to offer after Tata's takeover on it. So very curious, very excited to see what all will be there after such a long time after traveling Air India. So let's do this. Let's go and let's see what it's like to fly on Air India's economy class once again. So let's go. And by the way, before we start, I would like to make an announcement. So my channel birthday is coming up, and it's on 26th April. So my channel is going to complete 3 years. So you can say congratulations in the comments. Right, congratulations. You can give me all your greetings. Done, guys? Okay. So thank you very much for that. And now let's do this. Let's go. And there's going to be a surprise coming for this, and it is going to be, and the video will be uploaded on 26th. So so for those of you who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now, and so that you do not miss on that video, because otherwise then you people say that that when have you uploaded the video, we haven't seen it. So yeah, please do not do that, and please subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's go and let's see what Air India has to offer. Guys, made my way into the terminal itself, and you can already see this is the flight information board where you can see all of your status online. So we'll have a look into that. AI678 to Mumbai, that is our flight. You can see all the details. Guys, this is the economy class, all domestic flights, Air India check-in counter. You guys can see. So guys, I have finally collected my boarding pass. Here it is. You guys can see. So pretty excited. So already at the first step, which is to collect the boarding pass. So another Air India boarding pass goes into my collection. So yes, I'm a little excited about that, to add it once more. So without further ado, let's go to the security check. So guys, this is the security check. Delhi. Guys, you've cleared the security check, and this is like all the shops and all on our way to the gate. So our gate is 30B. So it is not much of a ride, a walk, I mean. So let's go there. I think we're going to reach there by about 10 minutes. I'm going to pick something up from the cafe upstairs, and then we'll head to the gate, as we're already running late. I couldn't wake up early actually, guys, so my apologies. But I will not fail to show you the view of the tarmac from the window, which you know at Delhi airport departures. AI678 to Mumbai, no changes in schedule. Nice. Guys, this is like a change of scenery today. It's from the upper view. You can see VT-TQC. This was my flight from Delhi to Hyderabad on premium economy class. If you haven't checked out the trip report, you should check it out now. And one of my favorites, VT-PPO. It's one of my good registrations, but unfortunately, this is not going to be our aircraft. Guys, our aircraft is that one. It is on 30B. It is VT-PPO. So guys, bit of a situation here. I cannot access the lounge due to the lounge is full. By the way, the Plaza Premium Lounge is now the N-Calm Lounge. It's been rebranded. So the lounge is full, so I had to put something from the food court instead. So my apologies. And we did not have enough time. So I think now we'll head to our gate as boarding starts soon. So guys, I'm in a cafe right now. So just because the lounge is not open, just to have a drink. So here it is, guys. So after Tata's takeover, I'm really happy that Air India is. So now there are good reviews on Air India. That they are very nice with all of their services and all. So I just thought that why not give Air India a try once again. So cheers on this one, guys. So guys, now it's time for us to head to the gate, as boarding has already must have begun. So it will take us around 5 minutes to reach our gate. So going downstairs in order to get to our gate. going to the gate. So guys, we're heading towards the gate. 30B is the gate. So yeah, I'm getting closer and closer to the gate. In the background also you can see that there are signs of gates. Gate number 27 is there on that, the other side. And my gates are towards this side, guys. So really excited to see what Air India has to offer. So this aircraft has not come out of the hangar as the last time. The registration was VT-PPO. We'll get a glimpse of the aircraft first, and then I'll divulge the registration of the aircraft. Unless you must have seen, you can rewind. I had mentioned the aircraft. Or I can just say it's VT-PPO, which is parked on 30B. That's most likely that's going to be our aircraft. It's still there after PPJ left, the second A321. So apart from that, let's do this. Let's go to the gate. Guys, going to the aircraft. Just boarding in the aircraft itself. So the Vistara A320 Neo. My boarding card. Thank you. Guys, boarding in the aircraft. Guys, boarding in the aircraft. That's the Vistara pushing back over there. I wonder where it's going. And this is VT-PPO, our aircraft for today. Yeah, love this shot, guys. You can already see the pilot. See the pilot and the first officer. And this is the Indian flag along with the registration PQ. Boarding in the aircraft, guys. Past the business class as shooting was not allowed. This is the economy class. Seat 18A is coming. 18A, here we are. On a seat for the next 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is the wing of the aircraft. So guys, finally inside the aircraft, and I've just shifted to the left side because the rights were actually incorrect. I've done this mistake before as well, so but no worries, people do this often. I sat on 18F instead of 18A. So now if you guys also do this mistake, write to me in the comments below if this has happened with you as well. Do not hesitate, you can write in the comments. I've done this twice now, guys, and yeah, all is well right now. And by the way, guys, I wanted to share a feedback, guys, that Air India, you can have a little problem while filming because then the crew gets a little offended when you film. So if you are filming, you can tell them, but do not film the crew for their privacy reasons. So you should not film them. I'll film the cabin, so you will not see any crew in this video. No crew face will be in this video due to their privacy. But anyway, and one more trick I would like to tell you is my both hands are here. How to place your tripod if you're also making a vlog. What you do is just open the seat back, and you have to just place your tripod. You can get a tripod if you haven't already, and you just extend the line of the tripod, and then you place your device or your phone or camera, and you can place it right next to the seat and extend the tray table for support. So that way nobody has to hold the camera. You can just have a self video get shot without anyone holding the camera, so you can have the most stable result. And one more trick I would like to tell you guys is that whenever you're filming, you should always close the window shade during a day flight, because then light enters. Guys, see, this is light and this it's not. So a few tricks, so please do keep in mind when you're making a vlog as well. Anyway, I'm liking the experience till now. It's okay. So let's see what Air India has to offer once we are airborne. And yeah, guys, this is the wing view which is offered from the left side of the window seat. Another aircraft, another Air India is here to join us, guys. VTEXL.
to welcoming you aboard Air India.
Just love the startup of the
A special
engines
welcome to all
of
our flying returns
the
and star
CEO
members.
aircraft of Air India.
Our flight AI678
Guys,
and the conception of
taxiing
aircraft
further
on this
towards the
aircraft.
runway as
Please
we pass
note
by
that
Indigo
smoke
A320
detectors are
Neo.
installed in all lavatories. Mobile phone and other small handheld electronic devices, including e-readers, may be used in flight mode.
Guys, we have a safety guard here, the A321. You can see here, and the other side. It's a good safety guard. That's all which there was in the seat pocket, and like this is a bit torn from here due to this like latch. But I'm quite surprised that there are no stains on the aircraft this time. There are little like here, but the aircraft could be more cleaner, like Indigo or Vistara. And the takeoff was also absolutely superb. And yeah, everything is going good right now. The flight is interesting till now a little bit, but I'm trying to like think of what else I could shoot on the flight, because you know, it is like the magazine would have been a little bit fun to read, but so Air India is saying you should like serve magazines of your content in more than like an hour of a flight, so that your passengers will not get bored. There are not even IFEs on A321. Earlier they used to be, but I don't know why, but the IFEs have now been removed, guys. So that's also a little unfortunate. Guys, I totally mentioned, like I totally forgot to mention you the seat, guys. So this is the seat itself. You get an armrest. They are not adjustable, guys. There's some buttons. I think these were from the IFE, which was here. Earlier they used to have, right? But these buttons are of no use now. These are not adjustable. This IFE, I mean this handrest is adjustable, and the leg room, yeah, you have space. So yeah, leg room is decent if you compare it. So adults would have like here, so that they will have their leg room. So it is a decent leg room. Your feet can go in there a bit. So my feet have to share the leg room within like my bag and this, but it is all comfortable for a 2-hour flight. So that is all right. Otherwise, the business class has more features and leg rooms. And life fit uncertain seat, please fasten seatbelt, please fasten seatbelt while seated, and all these kind of warnings. And this is the advertisement bar. You can see the advertisement for today. And this is the window. You have sugar as well. Guys, again traveling with a self-made IFE, that is my iPad, and I know how to to access it, like you can download your videos which you like more often. You can just go to downloads and you can watch anything which is downloaded, and it will be offline because you can see my iPad is on airplane mode right now. So this can be convenient for you guys. Guys, I'm in the lavatory and it's not smelling good at all, guys. It's not good. I have to like the cold red like this. It's not good at all. This is like a orange light sort of. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is an orange light. It looks yellow in the camera, but it's actually orange, and it's not that much kind of light. It's a very small sort of a washroom. You have like holders sort of. You have some holders over here, and you have the pot seat along with and this also does not look good at all, guys. If you can see, none of this looks good, guys. Washroom is not good at all. Actually explaining, guys. Not good at all, guys. I'm not a big fan of the washroom. Yeah, I'm not touching anything over here, guys. It's really stinking. This is like a tissue paper sort of dispenser with no tissue, and this is like a disposal sort of area where you cannot, but you cannot dispose of cigarette over here. And that's a flush, and that is like you just. This is like a baby table for babies, like to handle them, and so this is not good, guys. I am. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Can you see this, guys? You can see the ceiling from this panel right here. Look at this, guys. I am not a big fan of the lavatory. And the door is locked, guys, but still the light is not. So, Air India, if you're listening, please, you have to open the lavatories. This is not good. The business class toilet, I think it will be a bit more nicer. This, like, the tissue paper also here. So they can be good, but economy class I'm not preferring at all. I think I will be heading now. So now we are going to land in Mumbai around 30 minutes or so, and we have started our descent into Mumbai. So let's do this. Let's go back to the seat, and I'll show you the arrival into Mumbai. Started our descent into Mumbai. So guys, this is it, my journey from Air India. So the flight was very comfortable, the crew was very nice, the food was alright, and I had one of my most interesting economy class flights yet on Air India. And I hope that that Air India remains like this in the future. And this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. If you did, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And wherever you're off to, have a safe trip. Thank you for watching. Guys, already for adventure for headrest, you have like the Air India and Maharaja and Air India Star Alliance member, and you have a little cloth here as to act as a headrest. By the way, there is no USB slot here. If you go down here, there is no USB slot on this aircraft, and definitely no universal power outlet, so that is not. So guys, here we are in the arrivals hall. Takeoff right there. I'm going to the arrivals, guys.